Hey Balance Seekers, Chris Farfan PT and Lucky the Special Dog here. Have you been feeling like you're kind of revving high, difficulty, settling down? You finally have an opportunity to rest at night or at any time, but yet you can't. Your mind is racing. You feel like something's wrong, this impending doom. Guess what? You're stuck in fight or flight. Yeah, that's nervous system overdrive for the fight or flight sympathetic system. And so we're going to be showing you a lot of different ways to help reset yourself over and over and over again, because that system keeps getting tripped and then we're running from the dinosaur and then we have to turn it off. Reset. And being out in nature is one of those ways. Walking is one of those ways. Being with darling animals that live in pure love are one of those ways. Watching animals and their resilience, like Lucky with her little chemical burns on her face. Watching nature, watching the tree be the tree. Watching little Ziggy finding shade for himself because they have natural instincts. They're just being. So how about you let yourself be today? You deserve that. It feels really good. Pick a way to be. Peace, Balance Seeker.